Happy Monday, Lumineers! My name's Jamie Butler. I'm at the Institute of Noetic Sciences in Petaluma, California, and we're about to do a labyrinth. This labyrinth is called the Deer Heart Labyrinth, and it was built with Earthrise Retreat Center and Veriditas. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So the Veriditas Legacy Labyrinth project is where they connect labyrinths all over the world so that when you're walking this one, Deer Heart in Petaluma, you're also walking all the other ones that are located around the globe. And each one of these labyrinths are built to create world peace and healing. As with any labyrinth, there are 3 parts to it. There is the walk inward and down this winding one-way road to the center, which can help you quiet the mind and get centered. And then there's being in the center of the labyrinth, which you can use for meditation, enlightenment, connection. And then there's the winding out of the labyrinth, which can help you focus on the world peace and the healing, the giving out to others and to the earth. It's my hopes that next time you see a labyrinth, that you will take a step in. Take care, Lumineers. Bye.